I've been running a few KiwiSaver sessions for some businesses lately for their employees, and I thought I'd jump across and actually show you some of the tools that we use. So this is on the sorted.org.nz website, and I've used this KiwiSaver calculator. It's up under the tools here. I've put in a KiwiSaver balance of $10,000 for my person. I've got that they're contributing 3% of their wage. They're obviously employed with an annual salary of $50,000. And I've said that they're 30 years of age. So just looking at that, this person, if they left their KiwiSaver going until age 65, they would have around $188,000 saved. If I just scroll down a bit, you can see here that this means that they could take $173 a week from their KiwiSaver from retirement age, 65, up until they're 90. So that would be over and above their superannuation. Now, why I wanted to show you this is because a lot of people think that they have to take their KiwiSaver out when they get to 65. And it's a big topic at the moment that I'm coming across. And that's why I wanted to show you this, that at the end of the day, no, leave it in. Your money will keep working for you. No, you won't get the government's contributions. Sometimes employers may still keep contributing if you're working, but they certainly don't have to. Let's have a look and see what this does as well. Now, this is assuming that you're going to stay on $50,000 during your entire working career, which we know as we tend to get a bit older and a bit more experience, that does increase. But look what happens if you increased your contribution to 4% of your wage. Suddenly, your KiwiSaver balance would be worth $216,000 at age 65. And that's $199 a week. Let's bump it right up to 10%. Look at that, nearly $385,000. And so that's $355 a week. So what I'm getting at is make sure that you keep contributing to your KiwiSaver. Put in more than the minimum. It will certainly help you. But also when it gets to retirement, keep it going and use it to take a regular drawing from it to help supplement your income. You'll be surprised how much further that money will go. Anything else, reach out. Thank you.